I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and documenting the phone. Backup now to iCloud or make a local one image so nothing is lost. Next, note the model, serial, and EMA and gather any receipts or repair records. These prove ownership and speed service. Power down the device and stop attempting other repairs. Continued attempts can complicate diagnostics. Once done, schedule or walk into an Apple store or Apple-authorized service provider. That begins the only supported path for clearing an unverified battery. You will hand the device to the technician so they can run the official diagnostic and pairing workflow. They use Apple system configuration or internal diagnostics to authenticate and pair a genuine replacement battery to your specific logic board. This step is why third-party swaps show unverified. The firmware expects a paired component. Expect a replacement or pairing fee if applicable. Make sure the technician explains whether they are replacing the battery or only running a pairing step, because that determines the outcome. After service, check battery health and maximum capacity. The unverified flag should be gone when a genuine paired battery is installed. You should calibrate by charging to 100%, leaving it plugged for 30 minutes, then using it normally through one charge cycle so the system reports accurate stats. If the message persists, ask the technician to escalate or involve a manager and present your receipts. Apple has internal logs for pairing attempts and can reopen the diagnostic workflow until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.